Okay, today's a big day. Tuesday the 28th of January 2025. The bike's now about a month old. I've just clocked over 939 kilometers from when I bought it. As stage one, the TBR turnout pipe, short turnout pipe, stainless steel. A couple of little extras, LED indicators front, LEDs at the back. A slimline tail light, but still in red. Here's the saddlebag. Going for a major stage 2 upgrade. We have a red shift 5 to 8 cam, roller rockers, roller lifters, bigger intake, bigger jets, quite a bit. It's one of the most expensive stage 2 kits I could think of, but it's meant to make it as good as a 131. We'll see. Anyway, here's the sound pre and post.